Visualize a treasure hunt of a lifetime, a quest for success, fulfillment, and diamonds beyond your wildest dreams. Today, I want to take you on a journey through the wisdom of a remarkable man who knew that the most precious gems in life are not buried in distant lands, but right beneath our feet. Russell Conwell, a beacon of wisdom in his time, gifted us with timeless words that still resonate with the power to transform our lives today. His legendary 1869 lecture, Acres of Diamonds, serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path to our true potential. How often do we find ourselves chasing success in the distance, unaware that the treasures we seek are within arm's reach? As Conwell wisely said, your diamonds are not in far distant mountains or in yonder seas. They are in your own backyard if you but dig for them. Remember, the pursuit of success doesn't require a far-flung expedition. It calls for introspection, dedication, and the unwavering belief in your own capabilities. So I challenge you right now to think about the talents, the skills, the passions that lie dormant within you. Your journey begins where you stand. Russell Conwell's words echo through time, a testament to the fact that opportunities are abundant for those who dare to seize them. He proclaimed, "Never in the history of the world did a poor man without capital have such an opportunity to get rich quickly and honestly." The world today offers a canvas of possibilities, waiting for you to paint your dreams upon it. Your journey towards success begins with a single step. Are you ready to take that step, to embrace the challenges and carve your path to greatness? Money is power, Conwell declared. You ought to be reasonably ambitious to have it. You ought because you can do more good with it than you could without it. Think about the positive impact you could have on the lives of those around you, the lives you could change for the better. Embrace your ambition, not for the sake of wealth alone, but for the power it holds to uplift, to make a difference. And as we aspire to reach greater heights, let's not forget the essence of character and integrity that Conwell emphasized. You cannot trust a man with your money who cannot take care of his own, he wisely noted. True success isn't just about wealth, but about the legacy you leave behind. A legacy of honor, of responsibility, and of contributing positively to the world. Are you ready to build such a legacy? As you journey towards success, remember that greatness is not defined by titles or positions. As Conwell eloquently put it, greatness consists not in the holding of some future office, but really consists in doing great deeds with little means. So let's heed the timeless advice of Russell Conwell. Let's discover our own acres of diamonds right in our backyards, nurture our ambitions with purpose, and shape our lives into legacies of significance. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Well, if so, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more empowering content. Remember, the diamonds of success are closer than you think. It's time to dig deep and unearth your potential. Stay inspired, stay ambitious, and understand this: your journey to greatness starts now.